Hey Dutchy crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're going to be cooking some chicken wings. These are going to be no ordinary chicken wings, we're going to be using these. Angus and oint, honey and chili, and Angus and oint, garlic butter. We're going to combine both together and we're going to see what we get. These are the two rubbers we're using, Angus and oint, garlic butter, and Angus and oint, honey and chili. We're using about, let's say, a quarter of a cup of each. Just going to mix these two together. When they're mixed together, we're going to add them to this 1.1 kilos or 2.6 pounds of chicken wings. Just sprinkle all over. Then all we're going to do is going to get the hand in there and give them a good mix through. Once these chicken wings are evenly covered, we're going to pop in the fridge for at least an hour, and up to 4 hours is best. Now we're going to turn our attention to the pellets. We're going to use the economiser from the Pellet Man, and also some apple pellets, about 25 grams here, also from the Pellet Man. We'll drop these into the machine. Just make sure we shut him correctly. There we go. We're going to switch on. We're using the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect. We're going to raise the temperature to 160 degrees C, which is 320 degrees F. We're not bothered about the time. And we're going to press start. And with the smoke function, we automatically get the smoke wood technology. So we're getting this white, acrid smoke to begin with after ignition. And now we're going to get the chicken wings in. We're using the air crisper basket. And we're just going to arrange these around the basket. These wings have been in now for approximately 16 minutes, so we'll take a look and just look at the colour that these wings have taken on. And now I'm going to show you what approximately 20 minutes of cooking time does to the pellets. Remember, this was half a hopper using the economiser, and as you can see, they're just about burnt down. Now we've changed the setting to air fry and 200 degrees C, which is 392 F. And we've gone for about 3 minutes just to try and crisp this skin up. And just look at that. So we'll do, just going to come in with some sesame seeds and garnish these chicken wings. So there you have it, folks. That's Dutchy's honey, chili and garlic chicken wings cooked in the Ninja Pro Connect. Ready to get in and we'll have a taste. Yeah, they're really nice. Really going to enjoy eating all of these. Don't forget, keep coming back and see what more videos we've got for you during the winter.